Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze ETH in September. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. Since ETH kind of bottomed on its USD pair at around $13 to $1,500, uh, taking that double bottom from that August to September 2023, and 2 years later, slightly going below the below the 1500 level to wicking about at around $1,300 level. Since that white line, the horizontal white line, for color code, let's make it yellow. This yellow line held as support. Since then, from that late April 2025 lows, ETH has been going on this rally from $1,300 to at one point at around 5k. Now it's at around 4,300, slightly above 4,300. What remains to be seen in the next coming weeks. The 20-week simple moving average for ETH is at around $3,100. 21-week exponential moving average at around $3,400. Both of these averages are increasing and have a upward bias. So if we extrapolate its price action in September again, starting with the cool down analysis again, if September, as it historically is in post halving years, a place where the rallies kind of get sold off, like it, for example, in from the August 2021 highs of about, again, say 30 almost 4k, to the September 2021 lows of about 3,100. Again, this was September in 2021, the last post halving year, that is, from these highs of about 4k to the lows at one point less than 3k, slightly less than 3k in 2017 as well. ETH back in 2017, if you look at September, how it started again, from again that, so this is 2016, sorry, in 2017, in over here in 2017 September, started at around $370 or so during end of week August. In September, from that level, at one point it price crashed to about $200, and then again recovered slightly, but overall the month was bearish. If we look at some of the major analysis on per the Fibonacci levels on ETH, again the major area of support is right now. If there is a cool down to the downside, again these lines could coincide. Again, this 0.786 line at around 4,033 dollars, and this white line over here, ascending white line at around the lows for this line could be at around $4,060 as well. So this is again the analysis for ETH. If there is a cool down in September, if there is a rally in September, that rally could take ETH's price action to the prior all-time high, that is in 2021 all-time high, slightly close to that $4,950. That's the first area to look for. For the machine learning model for this month, if there is a non-euphoria bull run in the next 4 weeks, again the ceiling between $4,600, that's for this week, and that's as we move towards the end of September at around 5k. That's the non-euphoria bull run analysis per the machine learning based price forecast. Trend on weekly price action, a weekly average price action of ETH since November 2017. If we extrapolate that forecast to end of October, that becomes at around valuation at around $5,600 for ETH. The Euphoria case for this month, the 2 standard deviation 95 percentile bull case, is between $4,900 and about $5,750 for this month, and towards the end of October at around $6,700 for ETH. Conversely, the one standard deviation area of support, the bear case per the machine learning model, between $3,600 and $4,100. That's the forecasted bear case per the ARIMA, seasonal ARIMA based machine learning model, and trained on weekly price action, XG boost, and LSTM. So this is the tabular view of the one standard deviation bear case and one standard deviation bull case. The base case is in middle, as we in tabular terms, between 3,666 to $4,103. The bull case, on the other hand, between $4,600 and $650 to $5,300 in the one standard deviation scenario. The base case is at around price action between $4,300 to $4,370 for ETH. If we look at the current regression based valuation, again price action did go to its fair value. This fair value is established by this pink line at around $4,850. Now the price is below the fair value. Historically speaking, when the prices are lower than one standard deviation residual drawn from the fair value as established by this green line, historically speaking, DCA below these levels or close enough to this green line, when price action is close enough to this green line, is historically speaking a great entry point for ETH. We did make several videos when the price was lower than the green line or close enough to the green line back in April 2025 till June 2025. You can check that out on the channel's homepage on YouTube. On in terms of the time weighted average price model, this model also identified the April lows when the price was below the blue line, which is the time weighted average price for ETH. This is the price in bear market becomes a line in sand where say below these price action or close enough based on the risk level, close enough to the proximity to the time weighted average price, does offer asymmetric entry points. Right now the zone that ETH has been is in this yellow territory. The time weighted average price based risk score is still not in the blow off top region like it was back in 2021, above 0.8 on the secondary y-axis. The highest that ETH went was in March 2024 in terms of the time weighted average price risk. Although the price is higher right now than in March 2024 in this rally, time weighted average price is low because the time weighted average price is increasing as time proceeds because of the ETH's higher valuation in terms of the price from year to year. Right now the time weighted average price is at around $1,600. With that, all in all, the estimated bull run peak for ETH as it relates to this bull run for all of the individual risk-based models is at around $9,800. With that, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.